Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create charts from pivot tables. We have three pivot tables in Google Sheets: category-wise sales, product-wise sales, and salesperson-wise sale. This is very useful when you want to visualize your analysis and build dashboards. Using charts, we can quickly see which category performs better, which product sells the most, which salesperson is on top. First, I am going to insert the chart for sales by category. For this, there is no need to select the complete table. Just click anywhere inside the table. Then go to the top menu. Select the option Insert. Then from the drop down, choose the option Chart. You can see Google Sheets create pie chart automatically. Adjust the chart size by dragging the corner. Now we have to insert the chart to compare total sales of each product. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to the top menu. Click on Insert. Then choose the option Chart. Google Sheet created pie chart automatically. To change the chart type, in Setup menu, you can see the chart type box. Click on the drop down and select column chart. Now we have to compare performance of salesperson. Repeat the same process. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then choose Chart. And change chart type to bar chart. Bar charts work well when names are longer. This makes salesperson comparison very clear. So this is how you can easily insert charts in Google Sheets. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.